आप कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ। आई एम फाइन। आई एम फाइन। रट्टा मत मारो। डोंट क्रैम। डोंट क्रैम। एक साथ रहो। स्टे टुगेदर। स्टे टुगेदर। मेरा जन्मदिन आने वाला है। माई बर्थडे इज़ अराउंड द कॉर्नर। माई बर्थडे इज़ अराउंड द कॉर्नर। हम धूप सेक रहे हैं। वी आर बास्किंग इन द सन। वी आर बास्किंग इन द सन। उंगलियां चटकाओ। क्रैक योर फिंगर्स। क्रैक योर फिंगर्स। अपनी मुट्ठी बंद करो। क्लोज योर फिस्ट। क्लोज योर फिस्ट। मुट्ठी कस लो। टाइटन योर फिस्ट। टाइटन योर फिस्ट। चुटकी बजाओ। स्नैप योर फिंगर्स। स्नैप योर फिंगर्स। ताली बजाओ। क्लैप योर हैंड्स। क्लैप योर हैंड्स। मैंने उसे देखा। आई शो हिम। आई शो हिम। कृपया यहाँ बैठो। प्लीज सिट हियर। प्लीज सिट हियर। मुझे मेरा काम करने दो। लेट मी डू माई वर्क। लेट मी डू माई वर्क। इस बारे में सोचो। थिंक अबाउट इट। थिंक अबाउट इट। मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा। आई विल थिंक अबाउट इट। आई विल थिंक अबाउट इट। तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? आर यू श्योर? आर यू श्योर? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए। ओनली फॉर यू। ओनली फॉर यू। ध्यान से। बी केयरफुल। बी केयरफुल। क्या कोई दिक्कत है? इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? कैन यू डू दिस? कैन यू डू दिस? अब तुम जा सकते हो। यू कैन गो नाउ। यू कैन गो नाउ। तुम्हारा नहीं। नॉट योर्स। नॉट योर्स। रुको, मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ। वेट, आई विल शो यू। वेट, आई विल शो यू। गंभीर हो जाओ। गेट सीरियस। गेट सीरियस। इसे बाद में करो। डू इट लेटर। डू इट लेटर। तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? वॉट आर यू थिंकिंग? वॉट आर यू थिंकिंग? मैं तुम्हें सजा दूंगा। आई विल पनिश यू। आई विल पनिश यू। वह दूध वाला है। ही इज अ मिल्कमैन। He is a milkman. वह माली है. He is a gardener. He is a gardener. वह दुकानदार है. He is a shopkeeper. He is a shopkeeper. वह कुम्हार है. He is a potter. He is a potter. मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? Who am I? मेरा विश्वास करो. Trust me. Trust me. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? चलो एक ब्रेक लेते हैं. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. क्या हम शुरू कर सकते हैं? Can we start? Can we start? यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? इसे धीरे धीरे करो. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. पेंसिल का यूज करो. Use the pencil. Use the pencil. क्या तुम समझ सकते हो? Can you understand? Can you understand? तुम्हें समझना चाहिए. You should understand. You should understand. क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? हाँ मेरे पास समय है. Yes, I have time. Yes, I have time. नहीं मेरे पास समय नहीं है. No, I don't have time. No, I don't have time. मुझे कुछ काम है. I have some work. I have some work. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन अच्छा रहा. My day was good. My day was good. जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कितने पैसे हुए? How much money? How much money? क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? अब मेरी बारी है. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. मुझसे मत पूछो. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ? How can I help you? How can I help you? मुझे समय चाहिए। I need time. I need time. इसे वापस रखो। Put it back. Put it back. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. उसने क्या खरीदा? What did he buy? What did he buy? अंदर मत आना। Don't come inside. Don't come inside. मुझे जॉब की ज़रूरत है। I need a job. I need a job. तुम मुझे कब बताओगे? When will you tell me? When will you tell me? क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की? Did you help him? Did you help him? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? तुम इतने परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? क्या तुम अब आ सकते हो? Can you come now? Can you come now? मुझे याद नहीं है। I don't remember. I don't remember. सब्र करो। Have patience. Have patience. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए था? What did you want? What did you want? क्या तुम इसे देख सकती हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? तुम्हारे जैसा। Like you. Like you. कुछ और दिखाओ। Show something else. Show something else. क्या वह भी आ रहा है? Is he also coming? Is he also coming? क्या हम अब जा सकते हैं? Can we go now? Can we go now? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. यह किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? क्या तुमने यह बनाया? Did you make this? Did you make this? वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वह जल्द ही आएगा। He will come soon. He will come soon. आप मेरे लिए खास हो। You are special to me. You are special to me. वह मेरे लिए खास है। He is special to me. He is special to me. वह बहुत भोली है। She is very innocent. She is very innocent. बाहर मत खेलो। Don't play outside. Don't play outside. तुम इसे कैसे करोगे? How will you do this? How will you do this? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. मैं लेट रहा हूँ. I am lying down. I am lying down. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? यह इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? तुमने कब पढ़ाई की? When did you study? When did you study? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. जल्दी आना. Come quickly. Come quickly. नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. तुम यह कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. अंदर आओ. Come inside. Come inside. यह किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ. Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. तुम्हें कौन बुला रहा है? Who is calling you? Who is calling you? तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? मेरा बैग पकड़ लो. Hold my bag. Hold my bag. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. तुम चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? मैं अंग्रेजी सीखूंगा. I will learn English. I will learn English. क्या तुम यह रख सकते हो? Can you keep this? Can you keep this? तुमने उसे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call him? Why did you call him? क्या वह तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? मुझे यह करना चाहिए. I should do this. I should do this. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? हंगामा मत करो. Don't create a fuss. Don't create a fuss. पेज मत फाड़ो. Don't tear the page. Don't tear the page. मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम इसे कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? And thank you for watching. आज मुझे कहीं जाना है. I have to go somewhere today. I have to go somewhere today. आपको कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to go? Where do you have to go? कब जाना है? When do you have to go? When do you have to go? आप किसके साथ जाओगे? With whom will you go? With whom will you go? मेरा वक्त बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. यह मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. यह मैं नहीं कर रहा था. I was not doing this. I was not doing this. क्या तुम इसे कर रहे थे? Were you doing this? Were you doing this? उसे अलविदा कहो. Say goodbye to him. Say goodbye to him. आप यहाँ क्यों आए हैं? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मुझे आपसे मिलना था. I had to meet you. I had to meet you. बहुत समय हो गया. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. वह पड़ोस में रहता है. He lives in the neighborhood. He lives in the neighborhood. क्या आप उसे जानते हैं? Do you know him? Do you know him? मैं उसे अच्छे से जानता हूँ. I know him well. I know him well. खिड़की खोलो. Open the window. Open the window. मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए. I need some water. I need some water. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? बस 1 मिनट रुको. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. इसे वहाँ रख दो. Put it over there. Put it over there. मुझे वह समझ में आ गया. I understood that. I understood that. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? कृपया धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. अभी नहीं, बाद में. Not now, later. Not now, later. यहाँ बैठ जाओ. Sit here. Sit here. मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुम्हें प्यास लगी है? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. जल्दी करो, हमें देर हो रही है. Hurry up, we are getting late. Hurry up, we are getting late. यह कब तक चलेगा? How long will this take? How long will this take? कृपया दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. Please close the door. Please close the door. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे वहाँ जाना है. I need to go there. I need to go there. क्या तुम मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? मैं यह करने में सक्षम नहीं हूँ. I am not able to do this. I am not able to do this. कृपया थोड़ा सब्र करें. Please be patient. Please be patient. मैं यह समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. यह रास्ता बंद है. This road is closed. This road is closed. मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? हमें और जानकारी चाहिए. We need more information. We need more information. यह रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे एक गिलास पानी चाहिए. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. कृपया यहाँ रुकिए. Please stop here. Please stop here. मैं इसे नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ. I can't find it. I can't find it. यह कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? कृपया इसे ठीक कर दीजिए. Please fix this. Please fix this. मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. इसे यहाँ मत छोड़ो. Don't leave this here. Don't leave this here. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. इसे और साफ करो. Clean this more. Clean this more. तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat? Did you eat? इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little longer. Just a little longer. क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? यहाँ बहुत शोर है. It's very noisy here. It's very noisy here. मुझे आराम की ज़रूरत है. I need to rest. I need to rest. यह बहुत हल्का है. It is very light. It is very light. कृपया इंतज़ार कीजिए. Please wait. Please wait. मुझे यह समझाइए. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. इसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring it here. Bring it here. हमें और वक्त चाहिए. We need more time. We need more time. यह काफ़ी अच्छा है. This is quite good. This is quite good. मैंने तुम्हें पुकारा था. I called you. I called you. वह तुम्हें पुकार रहा था. He was calling you. He was calling you. उसने तुम्हें कई बार पुकारा. He called you many times. He called you many times. क्या तुम ठीक नहीं हो? Are you not okay? Are you not okay? वापस कर दो. Give it back. Give it back. यहाँ से सीधे जाओ. Go straight from here. Go straight from here. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? अब मेरी बारी है. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot here. It's very hot here. वह किस समय आएगा? What time will he come? What time will he come? क्या यह दूर है? Is it far? Is it far? इसे उठाओ. Pick this up. Pick this up. हमें जल्दी करनी चाहिए. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. मुझे चुप रहना है. I need to be quiet. I need to be quiet. तुम्हें इसे देखना चाहिए. You should see this. You should see this. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. क्या आप मेरे साथ आएंगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम्हारा फ़ोन बज रहा है. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. यह जगह बहुत सुंदर है. This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. यह बात सच नहीं है. This is not true. This is not true. यह ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, no problem. यह कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? How do we use this? How do we use this? वह यहाँ क्यों है? Why is he here? Why is he here? मुझे यह वापस कर दो. Give this back to me. Give this back to me. तुम्हें वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए. You should not go there. You should not go there. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा है. This is too big for me. This is too big for me. क्या तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर सकते हो? Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? मुझे यह करने की ज़रूरत है. I need to do this. I need to do this. कृपया यहाँ से हट जाओ. Please move away from here. Please move away from here. मुझे यह समझाओ. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. क्या तुम आवाज़ कम कर सकते हो? Can you lower the volume? Can you lower the volume? मैं इसे खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. क्या यह दर्द होता है? Does this hurt? Does this hurt? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं होता. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? कृपया से वापस लाओ. Please bring it back. Please bring it back. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. यहाँ शांति है. It is peaceful here. It is peaceful here. क्या तुम मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling very cold. I am feeling very cold. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave it here. Leave it here. मैं अभी आया. I will be right back. I will be right back. क्या तुम इसे समझते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है. Your help is needed. Your help is needed. मैं इसे पसंद करता हूँ. I like this. I like this. क्या तुम इसे देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? यह बहुत दूर है. This is too far. This is too far. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुम्हें और सोचना चाहिए. You should think more. You should think more. यह कहाँ मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? मैं इसे नहीं चाहता. I don't want this. I don't want this. क्या यह खुला है? Is this open? Is this open? मुझे अब जाना होगा. I must go now. I must go now. इसे संभाल के रखो. Handle this carefully. Handle this carefully. कृपया ध्यान से सुनो. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. मुझे जल्दी है. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. इसे ठीक करना होगा. This needs to be fixed. This needs to be fixed. क्या यह सुरक्षित है? Is this safe? Is this safe? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. यह काफ़ी देर हो चुकी है. It's quite late. It's quite late. यह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This looks very good. This looks very good. मैं इसे समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand this. I can understand this. यह किस चीज़ की आवाज़ है? What is this sound? What is this sound? क्या तुम्हें भी सुनाई दे रही है? Can you hear it too? Can you hear it too? यहाँ से बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है. There is a lot of noise coming from here. There is a lot of noise coming from here. मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I apologize to you. I apologize to you. मुझे माफ़ कीजिए. I am sorry. I am sorry. कैसे हैं आप? How are you? How are you? यह मेरा सौभाग्य है. It is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on the way. I am on the way. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मजाक मत करो. Don't joke. Don't joke. मुझे आइसक्रीम पसंद है. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. वह तेज दौड़ता है. He runs fast. He runs fast. उसे डांस पसंद है. She loves dance. She loves dance. हम खुश हैं. We are happy. We are happy. वे दोस्त हैं. They are friends. They are friends. समय जल्दी बीतता है. Time flies quickly. Time flies quickly. वह एक शिक्षक है. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. मैं तैर सकता हूँ. I can swim. I can swim. हमारा घर बड़ा है. Our house is big. Our house is big. मेरे पास एक पालतू है. I have a pet. फूलों की खुशबू अच्छी है. The flowers smell good. The flowers smell good. आज ठंड है. It is cold today. It is cold today. ट्रेन देर से आई है. The train is late. The train is late. वह कहानियाँ लिखती है. She writes stories. She writes stories. मुझे चित्र बनाना पसंद है. I like to draw. I like to draw. वह धीरे बोलती है. She speaks softly. She speaks softly. हम साथ में पढ़ाई करते हैं. We study together. We study together. वह अपने परिवार से प्यार करती है. She loves her family. She loves her family. क्या आपको चॉकलेट पसंद है? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? घड़ी तेज आवाज में टिक टिक करती है. The clock ticks loudly. The clock ticks loudly. हवा तेज है. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. कपड़ों की तह कर दो. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. मैं अपनी माँ की मदद करता हूँ. I help my mom. I help my mom. वे टीवी देख रहे हैं. They are watching TV. They are watching TV. वह थकी हुई है. She feels tired. She feels tired. मुझे अपना काम पसंद है। आई लव माई जॉब। आई लव माई जॉब। वह हर दिन पढ़ती है। She reads every day. She reads every day. मैं फ़ोटो खींचता हूँ। I take photos. I take photos. सूप गर्म है। The soup is hot. The soup is hot. तारे चमक रहे हैं। The stars are twinkling. The stars are twinkling. कंप्यूटर चालू है। The computer is on. The computer is on. कृपया शांत रहिए। Please stay calm. Please stay calm. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. अलविदा, फिर मिलते हैं। Goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, see you again. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? कृपया क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you please repeat? Could you please repeat? इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद। Thank you for this honor. Thank you for this honor. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। No, absolutely not. No, absolutely not. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है। This is too much. This is too much. धीरे चलो। Go slowly. Go slowly. अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ। Stay away from my sight. Stay away from my sight. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? तुम किस बारे में बात कर रही हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मेरी चीज़ों से दूर रहो। Stay away from my things. Stay away from my things. आपका इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। It's none of your business. It's none of your business. मुझे नहीं पता है। I don't know. I don't know. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं। We both like each other. We both like each other. जल्दी आओ। Come quickly. Come quickly. बाद में बात करते हैं। Let's talk later. Let's talk later. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मुझे यह खत्म करना है। I need to finish this. I need to finish this. मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। I am getting the hang of it. I am getting the hang of it. मैं 1 मिनट में तुम्हारे पास आऊँगा। I'll be with you in a minute. I'll be with you in a minute. इसके लिए अभी बहुत जल्दी है। It's too early for this. It's too early for this. मुझे आज जाने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like going today. I don't feel like going today. मैं इसे कल करूँगा। I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह अच्छा विचार है। I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. मुझे कुछ समय की छुट्टी चाहिए। I need some time off. I need some time off. मुझे आज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। I'm not feeling well today. I am not feeling well today. तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. You should relax. You should relax. यह एक लंबा दिन था. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. यह उतना बुरा नहीं है. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. मुझे कुछ चेक करना है. I need to check something. I need to check something. जब भी हम किसी मुसीबत से बाल बाल बचते हैं और हम अक्सर कहते हैं कि यह बहुत करीब था या फिर हम मुसीबत में पड़ने ही वाले थे, तब आप एक सेंटेंस यूज़ कर सकते हो. That was a close call. That was a close call. यानी इसका मतलब है जब कोई मुसीबत होने वाली है लेकिन वो नहीं होती, तब आप इस सेंटेंस को यूज़ कर सकते हो. मुद्दा यह नहीं है. That's not the point. That's not the point. सब ठीक है. It's all good. It's all good. यह शानदार लगता है. That sounds great. That sounds great. मैं बस गुजर रहा हूँ. I'm just passing through. I'm just passing through. यह मुझे सच में परेशान कर रहा है. It's really bothering me. It's really bothering me. मैं फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck. I am stuck. मैं दरवाजे में अटक गया हूँ. I am stuck in the door. I am stuck in the door. उसे खुजली हो रही है. He is feeling itchy. He is feeling itchy. ये सब तुम्हारे लिए है. All of this is for you. All of this is for you. मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. यह अभी शुरू करो. Start it now. Start it now. बड़े सपने देखो. Dream big. Dream big. अब मैं पूरी तरह से शांत हूँ. I am completely calm now. I am completely calm now. तुम कौन सा गाना गुनगुना रहे हो? Which song are you humming? Which song are you humming? क्या तुम मुझे बता सकते हो? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? यह सुनने में काफ़ी मज़ेदार है. This sounds quite fun. This sounds quite fun. यह मेरे हाथ से फिसल गया. It slipped from my hand. It slipped from my hand. मुझे इसे कसकर पकड़ना चाहिए था. I should have held it tightly. I should have held it tightly. वह उलझन में था. He was puzzled. He was puzzled. पैर मत घसीटो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. तुमने बोतल गिरा दी. You dropped the bottle. You dropped the bottle. बोतल को उठाओ. Pick up the bottle. Pick up the bottle. बोतल को सीधी करके रखो. Keep the bottle upright. Keep the bottle upright. हंसना सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. Laughing is good for health. Laughing is good for health. आवाज़ कम कर दो. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. कम बोलो. Speak less. Speak less. अब मैं फ़ोन रख रही हूँ। I am hanging up the phone now. I am hanging up the phone now. तुमने मेरी दिल की बात कह दी। You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. अपना दिमाग लगाओ। Apply your mind. Apply your mind. मुझसे पंगे मत लो। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है। This is a strange coincidence. This is a strange coincidence. इशारे से बात मत करो। Don't communicate with gestures. Don't communicate with gestures. तुम्हें लगन से पढ़ना चाहिए। You should study with dedication. You should study with dedication. पेंसिल छील दो। Sharpen the pencil. Sharpen the pencil. आपने मेरे लिए इसे आसान बना दिया है। You have made it easier for me. You have made it easier for me. आप साफ सुथरा क्यों नहीं होते हो? Why don't you freshen up? Why don't you freshen up? मुझे यह बात बेतुकी लगी। I found this thing absurd. I found this thing absurd. मुझे तुम्हारा घर नहीं मिल रहा है। I can't find your house. I can't find your house. बाइक की चाबी नहीं मिल रही है। I can't find the bike key. I can't find the bike key. मैंने फ़ोन का चार्जर खो दिया है। I lost my phone charger. I lost my phone charger. मेरी बड़ाई करना बंद करो। Stop hyping me up. Stop hyping me up. क्यों बुरा मानना? Why take offense? Why take offense? इसमें क्या गलत है? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? मेरे दिमाग की धई मत करो। Don't rack my mind. Don't rack my mind. बकवास बंद करो। Cut the crap. Cut the crap. वह बहुत चालू है। He is very cunning. He is very cunning. वह मेरी जासूसी कर रही थी। She was spying on me. She was spying on me. मैं काम से तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with work. I am fed up with work. तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे अब जाने दो। Let me go now. Let me go now. यहाँ इतनी चुप्पी क्यों है? Why is it so quiet here? Why is it so quiet here? मुझे समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand me. Try to understand me. मैंने उसे सब कुछ बता दिया। I told him everything. I told him everything. तुमने इसे कैसे सीखा? How did you learn this? How did you learn this? क्या तुम अभी व्यस्त हो? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now. मुझे उम्मीद है सब ठीक है. I hope everything is fine. I hope everything is fine. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए साफ साफ बताओ. Tell me clearly what you need. Tell me clearly what you need. मैं कल वापस आऊँगा. I will come back tomorrow. I will come back tomorrow. क्या यह तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल था? Was it difficult for you? Was it difficult for you? तुम्हें कब तक इंतज़ार करना होगा? How long will you have to wait? How long will you have to wait? तुमने मुझे बहुत खुश किया. You made me very happy. You made me very happy. मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. क्या तुमने कभी यह सोचा है? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? यह किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? तुम्हारे साथ समय बिताना अच्छा लगता है. I enjoy spending time with you. I enjoy spending time with you. यह सबसे अच्छा दिन था. This was the best day. This was the best day. मुझे किसी से मिलना है. I have to meet someone. I have to meet someone. तुम्हें इस बारे में पता कैसे चला? How did you find out about this? How did you find out about this? यह सही समय नहीं है. This is not the right time. This is not the right time. क्या तुमने ध्यान दिया? Did you notice? Did you notice? तुम्हें इस पर गर्व होना चाहिए. You should be proud of this. You should be proud of this. मुझे किसी पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. मुझे इसके बारे में और जानना है. I want to know more about it. I want to know more about it. तुम बहुत जल्दी सीखते हो. You learn very quickly. You learn very quickly. यहाँ रुकना मत. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. तुम्हें इस पर विचार करना चाहिए. You should think about this. You should think about this. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा. This will be good for you. This will be good for you. तुम्हें जल्दबाजी में निर्णय नहीं लेना चाहिए. You shouldn't make decisions in haste. You shouldn't make decisions in haste. मैंने तुम्हें बहुत याद किया. I missed you a lot. I missed you a lot. यह तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा है. This is incomplete without you. This is incomplete without you. तुमने क्या फैसला किया है? What have you decided? What have you decided? तुम्हारा जवाब मेरे लिए मायने रखता है. Your answer matters to me. Your answer matters to me. क्या तुमने अपनी गलती सुधारी? Did you correct your mistake? Did you correct your mistake? तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. क्या तुमने कभी यह कोशिश की है? Have you ever tried this? Have you ever tried this? मुझे अपनी योजना के बारे में बताओ. Tell me about your plan. Tell me about your plan.